How to post multiple pictures on Instagram without cropping. Now, the first thing to do is to tap on this plus button right here. And as you can see, when we tap on a picture, this is originally in a 3:4 ratio. You just have to click on select multiple and then select on the pictures that have the same ratio as the first one. If it doesn't have the same ratio as the first one, it will automatically be cropped in the same way that the first picture's ratio has. Another way is to see like this picture right here. It has a 16:9 ratio. However, if we add it into a multiple, let's say this is the first picture, and then tap on this select multiple picture, and then tap on a 3:4 ratio, it will automatically be cropped into 16:9 ratio. So the key takeaway is to have all the pictures that you're going to post in the same ratio. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.